to the Voice News. I am Palak with you. Good news amid shortage of vaccine. Pfizer vaccine may come to the country next month. After Russian Sputnik, another foreign vaccine, Pfizer is ready to arrive in India. The final approval of the government is awaited. After this, the first contingent of Pfizer vaccine can reach India from next month. In this way, from the next month, vaccine of your companies will start in the company. Pfizer's USA vaccine may arrive in the country next month. The government has decided to relax regulatory legal hurdles in this direction. In fact, Pfizer's had sought relaxation in compensation regulators. If Pfizer vaccines get government approval, it will be the fourth vaccine in India. Earlier, Covishield and Covaxin and Sputnik vaccine of Russia are being given to the people of India. Government and company agreement according to the news published in TOI. The final agreement is yet to be done between the Indian government and the US company regarding the compensation of procurement process, but a consensus has been reached on the purchase of the vaccine from both sides. According to the sources, the government can provide complete exemptions to compensation. Pfizer has received exemption for such limited use from the US Food and Drug Administration, the European Medicine Agency, the Medicines and the Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency UK, the Pharmaceutical and Medical Devices Agency Japan. The company can send 5 crore doses according to the report. Pfizer had talked about giving 50 million doses to India between July and August and October. Significantly, in the past, American company Pfizer had said that it is ready to provide 50 million vaccines in 2021 itself, but it wants relaxation in some regulatory conditions, including compensation. In this, 1 crore vaccine will be made available in July, 1 crore in August, 2 crore in September and 1 crore in October. Which company is asking for discount? Actually, Pfizer has sought protection regarding the possible side effect of the vaccine, which has been agreed in the government of India. A decision on this will be taken soon. Usually, if any kind of side effects come to the fore regarding any medicine or vaccine, then the company is charged damages. But the vaccine has been prepared in a hurry, so vaccine manufacturers need exemption from it. This type of exemption was sought by Pfizer in all the countries, including the US, where it was supplied its vaccine. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon.